Look at that. Neat now, eh?
Yes,
Yes. Catch it, people.
yeah, when I make basket, you know if you type on the
Yeah,
basket.
we know if you wrap and grown, cause of that, you know, you have to know if you
Yes.
wrap and grown.
Alright,
Yes!
me go.
So you use that make it diamond.
Yes.
Okay. So his size, his width I want them where you make it diamond. It can be same with like where you use band them, right? Yeah, like this.
Yes, you have to have him.
Like them, yeah?
Yeah.
And this size can be same, right?
Yes,
This size
yes.
and
Yes, you buy flat.
band them to plot, yeah.
And when you plot them, you have a longer piece you have to use to make big.
Yeah, we can go right
You have to use,
underneath.
yeah, you have to. When you
Alright.
make a diamond, big basket, you have to have a longer piece.
Okay.
The flat
Diamond.
piece. Yeah.
Cause you want the whole firm.
Yes, and the big, I have to make big diamond on it. So.
Yes. That is a diamond, people. These are the diamonds. So you put the diamond pan it to hold the
Ribs, yes.
the ribs and the angle, and you just keep the whole frame steady. Yeah, cause the angle, yeah. So if the diamond are the pan it, the angle go move, and then see ribs them, yeah. This, yeah. You want to make sure say ribs they're firm in a diamond. Diamond help to strengthen everything. So all one size basket like this, Mr. McBull, how much this would I go for?
You $200 also.
Okay.
Bigger one, $200.
This about like about 8.
Yes,
But they're reasonable, man.
yes.
Yeah. You see it, people? The basket cheap. And you see how much work we have to go through.
And you make good material. You have the help you to serve long too.
Yeah, they serve.
I don't have lick it down, then I lick it down and carry serve long. And then you know, but I lick out all the rain and with butter out.
Yeah.
That's the rough edge of me and him take off a year so now.
Right.
And then him.
You want to dip on one grade
Yes,
like
one wideness like.
one wideness.
You know, one part broad and one part.
It's going to make the basket look out.
Yes. Alright. Okay. Like this are the top. This are the top. You just put it like so.
So you make one T.
Yes, go on so.
Okay.
You carry back on so. Again. You carry back this around so. So. Make a diamond panny. You carry this. So. Alright, pull out the sheet. Pull out the so you can tie it back.
Alright.
Put it by it.
Yeah, man, me I show them, man. See it, people?
It starts now.
See it, yeah? I pull it out and see if I can make it back. I have to pull it right out to catch it.
Yes.
Alright, so you put it there, so.
Yes, you have to go on.
Then you grow on.
No, go, yeah.
Grow on, so.
Yes, you can go on, so, but you have to make it come over.
And you come
No,
out.
you should have make it. You just make it come over your finger, yeah, so. Come
So.
yeah, so, yes.
So come so.
Yes.
And then carry go.
Yeah, carry on and this come over top one, yeah, so.
Come over the top
The
on
bottom one, yeah.
Oh, the bottom one.
Yeah, come over back again.
Okay.
Yes.
Go so.
Yeah, right, you see it?
And then
you
come over here,
so
so.
back again. And you go over this one again. And
Go
come
over
over
here,
back
so.
again.
And then me go over here, so.
So you catch it.
And then me go over here, so.
Yes. Yeah.
Push up this. Right? See the people? I diamond that. I pull out here again. I pull out here again. I pull out here again and see me can wrap it. See it? I pull it right out. See me can wrap it. Make the diamond. The diamond important. So. So, I go so now. I will go so. Then I go so over the one here. Alright. Then I go so. I go underneath here so. So what, watch this.
Yeah, you didn't see
Like that?
Yeah, see.
People, we catch you.
Put it on video.
Yes, we catch you. Look at that. Neat now, eh?
Yes, yeah.
Yes. We catch you, people. See there?
So they don't do that, no, you do that time when I make the basket.
Diamond.
You ain't know if you type on the basket.
Diamond in, eh?
Yeah, when I make the basket, you ain't know if you type on the
Yeah,
basket.
we know if you wrap and grown, because of that, you know, you have to know if
Yes.
you wrap and grown.
Alright,
Yes.
alright, me go set me can.
Yeah, wrap your basket now.
Alright, when you do it, you know, if you look on it, chef, it makes it neat. That good.
Oh yeah, make sure you say this now there.
Yeah, you
Make
like
sure you
it.
say there in the center.
Yeah, see.
Okay.
Alright, and then the first tongue at the bottom, the hin part there. So
Oh.
this one spin around some more still.
Mm.
You come out, you see it? Because you look on it, very straight. So. You look on it, too, you know, it's even. One part no longer than one.
Like
that,
that,
the end
so.
of this, yeah,
The
see.
end them.
You can't use your eyesight, you see?
Mhm.
That one the colour you want.
You want to come up with it.
Alright, they might tie it. Sometimes I tie them and me not stay straight, you know.
Yeah.
I have to pull them out and get it straight.
Okay.
And then have to make a draw them up.
Yeah.
I make a go and tie it so now.
Oh yeah, we're wrapping now.
Yeah, so you cannot hitch this.
It's in there, yeah.
You hitch this in and like in so now.
Mm.
It's supposed to even. This is supposed to even, yeah, so. Even, yeah, so. Even. Alright. I'm going to carry on this so now. You watch me, I go watch.
Yeah man, me I watch you man, me I see you.
See there? Alright.
Yeah. Wrap it there so, then you go cross way. Yeah, you see that people? Go there so, wrap it round back here so. Yeah. Then you go down.
Yeah, so you catch up at top of so now.
Yeah. You go down. Go cross. Same thing like this how that do people, you see? You see? Yeah. Yeah, see my wrap. Yep.
Yeah, if you have the wheel, so if I read, I'm going to sugar underneath here, so.
Oh, and
So I'm going to plant it some more there.
oh, so you have to make sure so you have enough,
Yeah,
enough
yeah,
plot
yeah.
so that the ribs can go up,
Yeah,
can hitch somewhere up there.
Yes, yes, and so.
Okay, because if you get one little plot like this, the ribs don't have
They
nowhere to
can't hold in there.
go. Okay.
And a tree you have to put
That
in.
is why
See,
it band them off it tall. Them off it tall so you can get whole heap of wrap. I understand, man.
Alright, the next part, you know, or the next piece, you know. Alright, this, Let me put the knife again. Let me tie the next part, yes or no?
Yeah.
You can't, the diamond is bigger than that one, they still put a chew, yeah, because,
Again, people, see it?
Alright.
See it?
Even still, you know, you see it, watch ya. You have to go pull it again, when that part is too long. You see it?
Which one? Which side too long?
You see, the part is too long, you want to come down more.
Oh.
You see, so you learn the shape.
Yeah, man, yeah.
So you see, the part is too long.
Yes, you need to even.
I have to go shove one of them things, shove this.
Shove one, make it get taller.
That hen, yeah. But alright, I'm going to see if you can pull that one.
It's tight. Alright, people, me catch it. See that? Catch the diamond. See?
The place I pull out here, man.
Diamond.
Yeah, see, and the wire upon that. Yeah, see.
Two uneven people, so we are even up here. Alright, so let me see how. Yeah, you binding wire that. So people use the binding wire to hold the wood together.
It's tight.
Oh.
Put off some of this back there, and then find that over too long.
Oh, okay.
Put off this stuff. Yeah, the thing that cut it good, but you know the last you can't find it. Put off some of this stuff back here. See? To put on something like so. You put this. You see, what we do is we make it basket on your road.
Right.
Some people don't make it. They make put it in here. They make it just cup out that pint and my brother so we make it.
Oh, so you make sure say the part here round out.
Yeah, it's the
Instead of
shape
pinted.
Yeah, shape I.
Yeah, it's shape right.
People don't know if you do it and
Me I think so maybe they make it too short. This.
yeah,
You have to make it long enough where you can loop.
yeah,
Not true?
and sometimes it's long but they don't know if you do it.
Okay.
But these may take up the while.
Like that you have a wrap.
So this is tight so now. See, watch it. So
Oh.
if you have make shape come over, you see a basket.
Okay. Your bend is so you bend up in our ear. So okay. You see that people? This is our important part of the process. Yeah. You use the horizontal like what we could call them card. Yeah.
I shape like that, you know.
Right. Okay.
Tie this up, pull out. Sometimes you slack up, you know.
Right.
You have to pull out the back and dry back again.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, man. I see it.
Yeah. Alright, you see this, you know? You're going to try to get in the ribs in now.
Alright, people, see it here.
These are too big.
Like this. It almost done frame, right, Mr. Maki?
Yeah, so they put in the ribs, you know.
Only ribs there
and platty now.
and for platty. So as you can see right here, so I bind in wire.
You can see it work out like a basket. Now.
Yeah. To hold them two parts. And you can see you have one kind of bend up in the air like that. Make it shape like a basket. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.